Tonight, we celebrate accomplishments and achievements resulting from a symphony of good things. But beyond awards and recognitions tonight is also a celebration of collaboration, friendship, and the enduring spirit that continues to unite us for good.
Success or wealth ever will. Manner, show respect to everyone, regardless of their position. Morals, guide us to choose what is right, even when no one is watching. Intelligence, allow us to continue learning, understanding, and growing. And class is reflected in the quiet grace with which we treat each other. Together, let us continue inspiring others through our actions, strengthening communities through our service, and leaving a legacy that future generations of Rotarians will proudly continue.
This league exists not just to honor what we have done, but to multiply what we can still do for our clubs, for our districts, and for the communities we serve. Unity is our strength. Service is our purpose.
Rotary has never been measured only by numbers or awards. It has always been measured by the good we do for others. That is why we call this afternoon, this event, Symphony of Good. A symphony is made up of many instruments. It's with a different role. Some stand out, while others are heard only when you listen closely. But even one part is missing of the symphony, the music is never quite the same.
Rotary has always been at its best, not because of grand gestures, but because of thousands of simple acts of kindness carried out consistently by people who care, like you.
The awards we present tonight are a wonderful way to recognize excellence, but they are only a symbol of something much bigger. The true reward is the confidence your members place in your leadership, the trust you earn from your communities, the friendships that grew along the way, and the lives that are better because you chose to serve.
Let us also remember that awards are not the destination. They are milestones along a much greater journey. The true reward of Rotary is not the plaque that we will receive, but the smile of a child who now has hope, the gratitude of a family whose burden has been eased, and the knowledge that because we chose to serve, someone else's tomorrow became brighter.
So as we celebrate today's awardees, let us also celebrate everyone who made this Rotary Year possible. Because the greatest achievements was never the recognition itself, but the lasting impact we made together. Each club played its part. Every member contributed a note. And together, those individual efforts became something none of us could have created alone. That is the legacy of Rotary Year 2025-2026. That is our Symphony of Good.